All right, so for this craft, it's sort of an, you can decide how you want to do it, but in your kit you will have the 3 different colors of construction paper and the instructions for nature art bugs. So I went outside, so part of it is you have to go outside and gather some items that you see, some twigs, some rocks, some if you can find any sort of dried leaves, berries, anything you can find outside, and then you just create your own little bugs. So you can look at the pictures here, and then I have a video showing you of some things that I made. So you can glue them down onto the paper if you want, or you can just move them around, make different bugs, take them off, make another one, which is just what I did. So head outside and find some items and then come back and make some nature bugs. Here are the items I collected. I found some cedar branches and some dried cedar branches, some dried olives, berries, rocks, and some branches. Here's a little compilation sped up of the creations I did. Hopefully it gives you some inspiration, and make sure you send me some pictures.